Hello, you guys. My name is Lake. If you don't already know who I am, I go by lake.marese, and today we're cooking. So a lovely subscriber gave me the idea to show me cooking a meal in my new place, and I said, you know what? That is great. That's gonna put me in, take me out of my comfort zone, because I really want to learn how to cook, and this is a perfect example. If you are expecting a tutorial, sorry, but you might have clicked the wrong video. This is just showing my experience. It's already bad enough that I'm nervous, so I'm not gonna be able to show a tutorial, all this stuff like that. Hopefully I follow the directions. Hopefully I follow everything right, you know? I don't know if I am. I really do hope that it works out. I just put the oven on 350, so it's done preheating, but we're gonna get to cooking. And then it said caramelized, not caramelized, but like sauteed onions. I don't even know how to saute onions. Okay. I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna calm down. So let me just rearrange y'all so that y'all can see me from the angle like where the stove is and get everything set up. I don't have like a lot of small little bowls to put the ingredients in, so some of it's gonna be as we go, but I'm gonna set everything out on the counter. So okay, y'all, so I got this recipe off divascancook.com, and it's asking for butter, onions, teaspoons of minced garlic, ground turkey. I was looking for ground turkey in Walmart. I didn't see any. Okay. Dry breadcrumbs, an egg. Is it room temperature? Blessed Jesus. Okay. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, that Worcester sauce, or however you pronounce it, salt and black pepper. So, okay, let's go ahead and sit everything out. Get the ground beef out. You know, the first time I had got the ingredients for this meatloaf, I forgot to get ground beef. So glad I remembered when I got there, because it was so embarrassing. Minced garlic. I don't even know what type of breadcrumbs to get, so I got Italian style. Don't even know. An egg that's room temperature. Don't really know. Might just hold in my hands or blow my breath on it. Barbecue sauce. Ketchup. I just got like some Burman's barbecue sauce or something like that. Something from Walmart, whatever. I didn't need anything too special. Salt and black pepper. Let's see. Preheat oven at 350. Got it. Melt butter into a saucepan. Okay. Add onions and saute until tender, and then add garlic and cook until fragrant. Don't even know how long I should be cooking it. Okay. That looks like about a half a cup to me. So we're gonna pour it in here. Move that out the way. Now that we have done that, we are going to rinse this out and put the barbecue and ketchup in. And this is 1/2 of an onion. I don't know if I'm gonna do all that. That's a lot of onions, boo. Okay, I ain't got time to be burping, and it's very strong. It's already asking for garlic, so I don't know. Y'all, and this is my organic ketchup that I got from Aldi's. Check me out. We're eating healthy over here, boo. Shake that in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're just mixing up the barbecue and ketchup. Wow, it fixed the complexion of like how most meatloaf sauces look. Check me out. Okay. Wait, hold on. ASMR. Get close to the mic. Good stuff. 2 teaspoons of Worcester sauce. No, I didn't do it at the end. 3/4. Yeah, I can add that at the end. Okay, let's get on to the onion and minced garlic. So, okay, so it's looking like, then you go ahead and turn the stove on and put minced garlic, onions, and 2 tablespoons of butter in. Okay, so here we are now, about to cook. Okay. And it says to put 2 tablespoons of butter. Even though the stove isn't on, you're gonna go ahead and put the butter in there, so all I gotta do is toss the onions in. Alright, y'all, so we're back. I was able to cut the onion with this butter knife. Like, wow. I'm trying to see how to take off this part. I probably had to cut it off. I'm pretty sure I am. But I'm pretty sure this is plenty enough onion for real, because I don't want it to be overbearing. Okay, it's hard to cut it off. And I saw something where they said keep the core and your eyes won't water. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead and chop this up. Why is this cutting like this? Do I not know how to cut onions? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to cut onions. Probably would make more sense too if I had an actual real knife, but it's like I think I get the skin off and then I'm coming to a new layer and more skin. Blessed Jesus, I really do not know what I'm doing. I don't understand when people are like, oh, it's water in my eyes, I'm crying from onions. I never had that problem. Like, even though this is my first time cooking onions, but I never had that problem being in the kitchen when my mom cooked onions. Okay, so I guess I'm just supposed to cut these little pieces up. I don't know. This is more complex than I thought it would be. I'm not gonna lie. Only way I thought about that my eyes will water up is because there's literally onion juice that's flying. That's the only way my eyes will water up. Like, I'm squinting right now because I can feel the juice hitting my hands, and I don't want my eyes to be burning. Like, I really should have just bought onions already chopped from Publix. Okay, so here's the finished product of my onions. They could be chopped down a lot lower, but you know, we just gotta work with what we got, boo. So, trying to see if it's focusing. Is it focusing? It is. Some of them are kind of big, not gonna lie. And I actually still have some left over here in the plate. And I'm like, it said do you have an onion? If I didn't do my measurements, I would put too many onions. Okay, so that's what we're about to do now, is dump this in here. So over here, the butter and garlic is starting to melt. It told me to add the onions first, then the garlic last, but I didn't think about that. So I mean, it should be fine, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw those onions in there, and then we're gonna get to mixing the ground beef. I do not have a big mixing bowl, so that's why I use my strainer and I put aluminum foil. Okay. I don't even know what sauteed onions are gonna look like. I don't. So we're mixing up the onions and the garlic. Very fragrant already, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's fragrant, and it smells fragrant to me already. I don't know. So yeah, I'm probably gonna turn the skillet down a little lower. Now I'm gonna wash my hands since I touched my phone. Okay, so now we're back to the table. We're gonna mix everything together. So it says add onions, saute until tender, then add garlic. I don't know how to know if the onions are tender, so we're gonna move on. Add remaining ingredients and use your hand to mix together. Okie dokie. So like I said, here's my bowl. I don't have a like big mixing bowl. The biggest thing I have is my strainer, so I add aluminum foil so it doesn't seep through the hole. Okay, I got all natural 2 pounds. It doesn't say like if it's 90% lean or whatever. I don't know. That scared me. Oh, my laptop's gonna die. Woo! Okay, let me try to hurry. Let me try to hurry and do this. The Worcestershire sauce gotta be going on this. Okay. Since my laptop is gonna die, we're just gonna be on it. Okay. 2 teaspoons. I think that would be 2 teaspoons. 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add a little more black pepper than that. Breadcrumbs. The onions. Garlic. Don't have a spoon, so I'm using my hands, and it feels absolutely awful. Oh my gosh, I think my computer just died, but I don't understand how, because usually when it says 10%, I got a good bit to go. We have the ground beef, the egg, all that in there. I don't know if y'all can really see that, so, because the egg was literally about to come out, but yeah, let me break this down. I be forgetting how ground beef is so tough to break apart. So I'm just mixing it all together evenly. Everything gets touched because we want it to mix really well. I can feel that the breadcrumbs kind of crept down at the bottom, and so we need to scoop that all in and mix that all in there good. I pray this turns out really good. Okay, we're back. Okay, so we still got some crummy spots that I'm feeling a little bit. This ground beef is so cold. Like, it's freezing my hands. It looks like everything is nice in there, nice and properly. You can see all the onions. I don't feel anything crummy. So we're gonna go ahead and add it to the low pan so that it can go into the oven. This might be too much. This might be too much. Cause it said 1.5 pan, 1.5 of ground of meat. And this really might be too much. Like, I'm trying to spread it out and it's already tough. Well, it might not be. That's a big onion that I'm not going to put in there because it's already, no, We're gonna make these 2 pounds fit. Here is the finished product before we add the sauce. Very meaty. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this sauce in here, and then we're gonna put this bad boy inside the oven. It smells so good. Like, I really want to taste this sauce and see what it tastes like. Like, I love meatloaf sauce. Okay, so let's spread this out, y'all, and we're gonna go ahead and put it straight into the oven. So pretty. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for an hour on 350, and I will get back with y'all when it's done. So the microwave is almost done with, actually, oops. Meatloaf is done, so I'm about to take it out. I made some breadsticks. I was trying to go out the box and it said 8 minutes, and I forgot that this toaster oven is really, really new, and it burnt them. Made some mashed potatoes. The serving size says 2. This is not even enough for me. The broccoli is in there cooking now. So yeah, things are going well. All right, you guys, so sorry the video ended abruptly. It did not turn out how it was supposed to, so I'm gonna include footage, but y'all, I overcooked the meatloaf and I was so in distress, so upset that I did not finish recording. I know, bummer. But hey, we're gonna be doing more videos. We're gonna be doing more videos of me cooking because it's all a learning experience. But really what happened was I put it in there for the time and the oven temperature, and it wasn't done in 55 minutes. So I had to put it back in there for another 20 minutes. Then after that, I ate a few pieces and I was like, this is good. But then I think at the very bottom, it still was a little red or pink, whatever you want to call it. So I put it back in there, and that's when I overcooked it. So yeah, I was pretty upset. I was. And I didn't finish recording at all. I stopped the video because I was just so upset because I really wanted it to turn out. But that's like my first time like cooking something, like adding all these ingredients, putting it in there, this and that. So that was like a really first time, and I wasn't expecting it to not turn out. Like, I was preparing just in case it was not to turn out right, but I wasn't preparing if it doesn't turn out right, what are you gonna do? So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it and running around. Hopefully the TV isn't too loud in the background. We got James' fan on because we are into the new year, and Tuscaloosa just loves tornadoes, and we're under, okay, I don't know what he just said. We're under a tornado watch until 8 o'clock or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are remaining to be safe out there. Remember, it's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you guys next time. I might get a little sweaty, and I need plenty of room to air my armpits. Because I gotta do my intro. Let's see, I'm gonna put y'all right here. Hopefully I followed the directions. Why am I so tired? I really don't understand the difference between teaspoon and tablespoon. If we're being honest here. And I just realized something. I don't even have a sharp knife. It's nothing but butter knives here. Well, there goes that. See, this is press until love pan, so that's what we're going to do. I never really understood fractions. I didn't. I would relearn it every year, and it just never clicked to me, and it's not clicking right now. So yeah. Hey Alexa, how long does onions last in the fridge after being cut?
Here's something I found on the web. Once cooked, onions will usually last for up to 5 days in the fridge and up to 12 months in the freezer.
I was trying to get, you know, if it's been cooked already. Not been cooked, but raw. I dropped an onion on the floor. I almost fell. Well, not an onion, but it's like onion skin or something. Not bad. Look at the sparkles on it. Like, that is so cute.